Welcome back. Let's do some proof. But today we're not going to write. We just verbally prove it. All right, let's discuss what we have. Let's look at this two triangle. Our job is to prove triangle ABD is congruent to triangle EBC. Think about all these previous rules you learned. You learned side, side, side. You learned side, angle, side. Two sides with included angle. You learned angle, side, angle. Two angles with included side. You also learned angle, angle, side. Let's review angle, angle, side really quick here. We're going to construct two triangles here. And the first corresponding angles. And second pair of corresponding angles, congruent, one curve, two curves. Now I'm going to take a side that is opposite this angle, have them congruent. This is the example of angle, angle, side. Okay, and let's do another one. Let's draw two triangles here. And we have first angle, second angle, and this time we're going to choose this side because this side opposite this angle. And this diagram is really small. I hope you have you can enlarge it. Yes, YouTube is so cool. You can enlarge that. All right, let's look at what we can do here. We have a side. This is the first side, right? Right here. And we have angle. Oh, we got another angle. And these two are vertical angles. Therefore, this is a situation called angle, angle, side. It's right here. So these two triangles are congruent by using angle, angle, side. Before we leave here, let's check one last time, okay? Make sure you really get it. Angle, angle, side, okay? Angle, angle, side. All right, let's look at this one. We're going to put a boundary here and look at the second question. Can we prove a triangle NTM and triangle QTM are congruent? If we can, what kind of rule are you using? So think about all these previous rules you learned. Let's look at this. It is already given to us we have one side, one pair of sides are congruent, and also side MQ and side NT, they are parallel. Okay, this arrow tells you they're parallel. If they're parallel, let's say this is angle 1, angle 2. Angle 1 and angle 2 gonna have the same angle measure. Angle 1 and angle 2 gonna be congruent. Why? Remember, two parallel lines cut by a transversal, that's a transversal. Alternate interior angles are congruent. And also look at the one we just colored. Let's get one more color. We give it a green. Did you see that? MT. MT is MT, right? You are yourself. So by this, we can use what rule? Side, angle, side. Let's check. See, this is side. This is a side. This is angle. And this is the side. Side, angle, side. Yes, we can prove it. All right. Happy learning. I hope you enjoyed your verbal proof today.